Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. So for today's video I'm going to be doing an unboxing of this lovely gift that I got from Louis Vuitton. If you haven't seen my Chanel unboxing, go ahead and check it out. I also got that for my birthday, and this is the second one that I got for my birthday. Obviously this is from Louis Vuitton, and as you can see from the title you probably already know where it is, so let's just get right into it. So it comes in a little box like this, so pretty, and just open it right up, and I think you guys already know what it is. Let's open it, and here it is. I got a key pouch in the damier bean print, and it's got the chain here. Okay, so I actually already had a look at this because I was the one who chose it. I was tossing between this or the monogram print, and I like this one better. I have a fair bit of damier bean styles already, so I've got a damier bean and a mini pochette as well, so they match together. Please let me know if you want me to do a comparison, because I've done a review on this, so go ahead and check it out. I'll leave it up above, and if you want to do a comparison review. Now I had a quick look at this, so I can do a bit of a review on this lovely piece. It surprisingly fits a lot in here, and I really like it. I think it's really good to just put little bits and pieces in here, and I will show you as well what will fit inside. I personally would use it to put my keys in here and just a few things in here, and that can be my everyday like keychain. So this will be part of the keychain. So as you can see, it's the same back to front. You wouldn't know which one's which, and what I like about it is that it's made in France. I don't know if you can pick it up, but it says made in France. Hopefully the camera's showing it. And I really like it because I don't think I have a made in France piece yet. Even my Chanel was made in Italy. My mini pochette doesn't say it. It doesn't matter. Okay, so I'm going to show you now what fits in the key pouch. So I've got a bit of stuff happening here, and obviously not all of them will fit in the key pouch, but I will show you how to mix and match some of this stuff in here to fit in here. So I'll show you what I usually would put in my key pouch. So I'm taking 2 tablets. One's a migraine tablet and one is an antihistamine. It goes right in there. I have my lip balm. If it picks it up, it's from Mario Badescu lip wax, and that goes in there, and closes up perfectly. Okay, now I've got keys. These are extra keys as well that I sometimes would use. They're like garage keys and stuff, so that actually can fit on the side here. Key pouch goes on the top, and that's 4 things that you can put in here. Okay, and with this little keychain here, how you open it is pretty easy. So pull that down, and that opens quite well. And my chunky keys can go right in here. Pull that down again and push it back up. And this is how I normally would bring my key pouch and keys along. Okay, so one thing can have all my essentials. Okay, I'm leaving my keys here because this is how I would normally have it. So I'll take the stuff out of here. So it's the lip balm, keys, and the tablets. So I'll show you another alternative of what you can put in here. Okay, so I have some cards here. I'm going to count how many there are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 cards in here. Okay, and putting them all in here, raising it, it fits 10 cards, and I think you can fit a little bit more. So let's see what else I can put in here along with the 10 cards. Let's see if my keys will fit inside. Quite tight. It just fits. So I have 10 cards and the 3 extra keys that I have. If I would get rid of my nail clipper, don't ask why I have a nail clipper in my keys, but it's very handy, you guys. If I get rid of the nail clipper, I could probably get away with having the keys and 10 cards in there, but actually close as well. It's a little bit full, but if you rearrange it, shake it a little bit, it's fine. So let's try something else. Let's try if the lip balm can fit. It probably won't fit. How about the tablet? Will it fit? I've got 10 cards and my tablet. That fits really well too. Okay, so it's very handy. The other thing you can probably put is like a wire for your phone charger. This is just some red spray. It fits really well. Or a lip balm fits in there. Fits really well as well. Okay. So there's a lot of varieties that you can put. Let's have a look if the mint can go in there. Can go in there quite well. And maybe my extra set of keys. That fits well too. Okay. It's quite full, but it fits. Alright. So I find this really handy and it surprisingly fits a lot. So if you're thinking of buying your very first SLG, I highly recommend this or the mini pochette, and they are very good. They are deceiving. They're small but it fits a lot, and for the price it isn't too bad considering that it's from Louis Vuitton. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoy this review and unboxing and wherever else this video is. I hope to see you in my next video, and I hope you guys found this helpful. So I'll see ya. Bye.